What we're doing, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys, so stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Chef Carlton here. Today I'm making a chicken, and I got some chicken which I'm going to be seasoning with these. Some meat tenderizer, paprika, and some black pepper. Alright, from chicken. Some fresh jalapeños, some tomato which I'm going to dice, some beans, cheese. Got some sour cream. I'm going to mix this with some milk. I got some fresh corn tortilla chips. Alright, guys, let's get into it. So for the chicken, we're just going to go ahead and get them in there. Alright. Got some black pepper. Some paprika. Some of our meat tenderizer. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna sear this, and when it's finished cooking, we can dice it up. That's all we're gonna do to this. So we're not gonna spend much time focusing on this. All we're gonna do is sear this. Once it's finished cooked, we dice it up. That's it. Alright, guys, so while that's going on, let's go ahead and prep our veggies. Alright, so we're gonna start with our jalapenos. We're just gonna cut these in some nice rings. Jalapeno gonna give our nacho a nice spicy. Alright, that's it. For the tomato, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this end. Remove the seeds if you like. And we're just gonna go ahead and get a fine dice. Alright, guys, now we have everything ready to make our nacho. Let's go ahead and build our nacho. Alright, guys, while I'm doing this one, I'm gonna layer this one. So I'm going to get some of the chips, put at the bottom, put some of the diced tomatoes, put some chicken, put some of the black beans, or my chili beans, some shredded cheese. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my chips down. Looks like a tower. All right, guys, then we're going to go and add the rest of the stuff. If you're going to use an oven, make sure your oven is hot and ready to go. All right, for chicken, just make sure it's evenly all over your nacho. And get your beans, sprinkle your beans over. This is going to be so good, guys. We're going to come with your cheese and just cover this with your cheese. Alright, now we're going to place this in the oven for 3 minutes. Alright, guys, so straight from the oven. Alright, so at this stage we're going to go ahead and add on some jalapenos. Notice we didn't add that before because you don't want to cook that. All right, you want it to be fresh when you're eating. All right, and if you have anything left over you want to add to it, and the tomatoes that was left, And the beans, feel free. I have some tomatoes I'm gonna sprinkle on top. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get my sour cream. And just do a nice little drizzle over it. That's it, guys. Easy made nacho, guys. Enjoy. I'm going for a closer look, guys. It's a beautiful nacho. Just good cooking, guys. Nice, easy to make from home. You don't gotta go to a restaurant or any takeout to get nice nachos. You can make them at your home.